A very good afternoon to all of you. Welcome to Workshop 2.0 Mama I'm Special. In today's topic, we discuss about dyslexia. Dyslexia is a learning disability in reading. People with dyslexia have trouble reading at a good pace and without mistakes. They may also have a hard time with reading comprehensions, spelling, and writing. But these challenges aren't a problem with their intelligence. Also called reading disability, dyslexia affects areas of the brain that processes language. It is thought to be caused by impairment in the brain's ability to process phonemes, the smallest units of speech that make words different from each other. It does not result from visions or hearing problems. It is not due to mental retardation, brain damage, or a lack of intelligence. It affects a child's ability to recognize and manipulate the sounds in language. Kids with dyslexia have a hard time decoding new words or breaking them down into manageable chunks they can then sound out. This causes difficulty with reading, writing, and spelling. Kids will not outgrow it, but they are teaching strategies and approaches that can help people with it to improve their reading skills and manage the challenges. Dyslexia is a disorder present at birth and cannot be prevented or cured, but it can be managed with special supports and instructions. Early intervention to address reading problems is important. The symptoms of dyslexia might be hard to spot until your child starts school. A teacher might be the first one to notice the signs, especially if your child struggles